Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. It's a fairly big Dollar Tree haul. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start off with the things that I normally buy here, and then we're going to get into the brand new items that my store got in. So first of all, I picked up two more of these. These are the 8-inch wire Wreath forms. I just used some of these in more than one of my videos, so I don't like to be out of Wreath forms. If you've seen any of my hauls before, you guys know I'm always purchasing Wreath forms, which brings me to this 3D Wreath form. I picked up two of these. I don't know where I set the other one, but I do have two of these as well. This is a 14-inch one. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but since it was brand new, and sorry for the noise because I'm stacking them on the other ones, they were brand new. I wanted to pick up a couple of those to see what I would do with those. And I also ended up picking up, actually my mother grabbed these for me at her store because it's a little bit far from me, the 10-inch ones, and I have one, two, and she did a little overkill and got me 3 of these. And I do believe I'm going to be trying to do a DIY with one of the smaller ones coming up for you guys here soon. Then, what else did I pick up that I normally pick up? I picked up a bunch of ribbon, and I know a lot of you guys have seen that this ribbon is out already, but my store is here in Southeast Michigan, like from Balloonville Hills all the way up to like Ortonville. They all have this ribbon now, so if you're in my area, you can look for it. I picked up the little red truck ribbon. I was very surprised that they had that. You saw me use this stripe kind of farmhouse ribbon. These are all, well, these two and a couple other ones are from the rustic farmhouse ribbon collection that they have. I picked up the gingham in black and white. I picked up this one, which is actual lemons. I don't do a lot of lemon decor, but lemons. I picked up this black and white polka dot. I really wish they would have had it with like black ribbon with white polka dots too, but they only had this one. I also picked up this yellow, which is actually not from the rustic farmhouse, but it's really cute. It has a little scallop edge, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but I picked up one of those. I bought a lot of ribbon. I've been using a ton of ribbon, so I wanted to put the newer stuff in my stash. And then they had this lace ribbon, and it is white. They have this in purple, and I picked it up in purple, but I can't find it. I don't know what I did with it. And I really wish at the time that they had it like in an off-white or a white, and then I found it in the white, so I was really happy on that. And then I picked up one of these Easter ribbons with the pink with the gold polka dots on it. I also picked up the Easter ribbon that says Happy Easter and stuff like that, but I already put that aside for a project, so I don't have that. And then I picked up one of the chevron print on the burlap ribbon for a project that I have coming up as well. All of the normal stuff that I normally pick up, the rest of it is either all new to my stores or it's new, period. So I know I've seen a couple of people haul these. I picked up the what are they called, the Wall Creations peel and stick decals. I picked up one of the silver ones because I really don't have anywhere to put these on my wall, so I picked them up for crafting. And then I picked up two of this like copper one, and I'm trying to hold it so you don't get that much of a glare. Hopefully you can see what the pattern is. I'll try to get some footage of it down so you can see really well. But I thought these were really cute, and they had like the regular peel and stick ones that would be like a backsplash, so you could use these for a backsplash too. I just like these, and so I picked up a couple of those. Those are brand new to our stores. She was putting those out actually when I was there one day. Now, next, I was really excited to see this, and I probably am going to go back and try to get some more because I didn't know what I would do with it, but now I kind of have an idea. So they have moss ribbon. So you know I showed you guys the moss sheets. And again, I'm pointing at that picture, and I did a moss bunny that I used the moss sheets, and I still have some of those left. All of my stores have those. They're readily available. But I found these moss ribbons at one of my stores, only one. And I thought, oh my gosh, that is so cool. So I picked up 2 of these because I didn't really know what I was going to do with them, but now I'm like excited about them and I may go get some more. So those are brand new. I even talked to the manager and she's like, yeah, we just got those and we never had them before. Then next I picked up 2 of these totes, these new essentials, I think it is. Yeah, tote bags. They're plastic. Everyone's been hauling these. Our stores just got them in. They come in gray. I saw teal and I saw blue. Someone I saw said that they come in pink, but I have never seen them in pink. Our stores got these in. They're this big. You see I picked up 2 of them. But the thing is, they are plastic. I don't know how much they'll hold because this one here is already broken. It is broken on the sides. It is broke all the way through. If you guys can see, I can stick my finger in there. And everything from the store. I'm not going to take it back or anything. They're probably already gone because literally when I walked in, they were stocking a lot of things. And this is one of the things they had just stocked. And I decided to not get the blue or the teal color blue, like the greeny blue, and to get the gray ones. And there was a lady there like, oh my gosh, I have these. And I think she took all of the blue. Like just all of them. So I'm going to try to figure out something to do with this so I can salvage it. But yeah, this one was broken. I also picked up 1 of these what are they, hurricane vases, and it has a chalkboard thing right on it, so you don't even have to put anything on it, and you can write on it and change the saying and stuff, or you could put like cricket vinyl or something on it if you want it. So I thought these were cool. They were in a couple of different stores, so yeah, these are brand new. I picked up 1 of those. And then I jumped on the bandwagon and got the new terracotta pots. I really like this one. I like the design on it and everything. It is terracotta, and then they painted the outside this cream color and did this design. I went ahead and I picked up all 3 of the designs, though I have to tell you I don't like them all. I do like this one. The one I showed you first was my favorite. And I do like this one. And I should have got this one and another one like my favorite. I might go back and do that. And then I picked up this one that other people might really love, but I don't really care for this design. So I think I might paint the outside of this one a solid color, and I like it a little bit better. But these are really nice, and they're brand new. And these are butterfly die cut decals, and I am in love with these. In love. That video was so much fun to make. I picked them up in blue. They have pink and they have orange, like a orangey browns, yellows. The pink's like a pink and there's some purple, but it's mostly pink. And the blue is like a blue and greens, and it's got a little bit of black and gold and stuff. They all have gold in them. Yep, all 3 of them have gold in them. And let me take a few of them out so you can see them because they are stunning. I'm trying to figure out which ones I opened. I used the orangey yellow ones and the blue ones for that DIY. These are stunning, and there are some really big ones in there. They are blank on the back because they are die cuts. However, if you want to use them in like a 3D fashion, I just take 2 of the same ones like I did in that video, and I glue them together, and they fit like perfectly because they're die cuts, and then you have it on both sides. It is so nice. You get 33 in the orangey color ones. You get 33 in the pink ones, and then you only get 32 in the blue ones. Sorry, I'm trying to just put these back in here because I want to show you that I got a little bit out of control. Slightly. I bought 2 of the orange ones, and I bought them at 2 different stores. And then I bought 1 of the pink ones because they're really not my favorite. They are really bright pink and stuff. I don't see that I'll be using a ton of these for projects. I'm thinking maybe something for my granddaughter. And then on the blue ones, 32 only in this. I used a ton in the project that I used before. So I went and I picked up 4 more. I love these. I love these, and I'm going to use them all the time. So I got 4 more. I got 2 from one store and 2 more from a different store, because when I went into the second store, I was like, oh, they have them too. Let me take 2 more. Because I don't want to take everything from one store so people have a chance to get them. But that is it for this huge Dollar Tree haul. Comment down below, what's your favorite thing that I found at my Dollar Tree? This is mine. I love these so much. I am going to use these a lot in different DIYs. So if you're not a butterfly person, I apologize now, but you can change it out for something else or not use butterflies, because I am a butterfly person. I put them on a lot of things all the time, like that one, which is one of the silk butterflies. And if you look back at my videos, you'll see that I use butterflies all the time, and I'm in love with them. And I also really like the idea of the moss ribbon. You get 4 feet of this for $1. I don't know if it's worth it or whatever, but I know Joann sells moss, like sheets and things like that, and rolls, and it's expensive. So for $1 to get this, I think that's a good deal. So that is it. I want to thank you guys so much for liking, for watching, for always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things here, like that stuff over there. I will be linking those down in the description down below. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.